Ek help hom met dit terug.
Nee, sê jy help hom met die. Wat dat julle wende license op plek? Wat is dit?
Touch your neighbor and say, find grace. No, you have to forgive your government ukuthi uneminyaka emingaka kwakazi usebenza ngoba amathuba omsebenzi awekho.
Shut up, you.
I saw the Minister of Electricity, I jive,
Why are you shaking, my brother? Why are you shaking?
You want everything that was given to you by grace to come to you. Forgive your government for that. But let the government, let the principle of suffering the consequence, let him feel it on the 29th of May.
It has to hit rock bottom. It has to lose elections for a penny to drop.
Hang on, that's so important. Would you like to see the ANC lose the next? Would it be good for South Africa if it lost the next election?
For as long as it is associated with corruption and failure, people will vote it out.
Every country needs strong foundations, but in South Africa, our foundations have been destabilized by corruption.
You have the last election, you took the president to Alexander and he promised people 1 million houses.
It was never 1 million.
Sisazowakha izindlu ezilingana no-1 million.
Mara mani cherire kuti deterani mazuma. Cherire kuti mani detereni mazuma. Nabona ukuthi ari kuhambeki manje. Nabona ukuthi nenzini. Yekani izuma yethu ibuye.
What, it was what, 1,000?
No, it was never even 1,000. The 1 million houses was in the figmentation of those who propagated.
How many did he promise?
1 million yezindlu zizowakhiwa lezo zindlu lapha Alexander.
You promised 48 structures to build, you never built them.
No.
They're still waiting for you in this very day.
You are lying.
You have never communicated now. Have you on record?
No.
But we had you on record.
I mean, a prevention approach to health giving, equally embedded in primary health care, which then will suggest, I'm sorry about that, will suggest that.
I knew it. It will all end in tears.
Sometimes the Lord reminds you who He is because you're overstaying your welcome. You're enjoying that comfort zone so much so that you don't want to move. Then God ends up getting you fired or moving you from there. Yeah.
Three things we have to be honest about. Number one, newborn babies, they are not cute. Let's stop lying to them. They are terrifying. Why? Because they come from a different universe, the womb. So when they come to earth, they have alien vibes. And that is understandable.
Koos Becker, the multi-billionaire that owns News 24. Jacob Zuma, and a lot of people have not thought about that, went for the very same thing to jail. That Koos Becker didn't even get a slap on the wrist.
Well, that is our message to you today.